All right, everyone, we're at the brand new Dick's House of Sport here at SouthPark Mall. This used to be the Sears. The Montgomery Kone is gone, but we've got a brand new glass Schindler inside. This is gonna be the first ever video of this brand new elevator. Let's go ahead and take it for a ride. Here's the brand new glass Schindler 5500 here at the new Dick's House of Sport at SouthPark Mall, Strongsville, Ohio. There's the mall entrance there. And with that being said, let's go ahead and take a ride on this brand new elevator after we just lost it. This is exciting. I've been waiting to ride this thing for a while now. This store has been empty since 2018, so finally get to ride a new elevator in this building. And here it is.
Yo! Dude, there's no floor over there. What is that?
Alright, let's get a cab view. Very nice elevator. Panels on the... Oh, it's got the same indicators as International Plaza. Opens on the other side down here. There's your certificate. Door close does not work. Gonna do a couple round trips. All right, go back down to 1. And we'll look out this way. Here's the door on this side. Here's your call station down here. You can see all the way up. All right, we'll go up to 2. All right, we'll go down to 1 and look out the other side. Oh, we got speed going on. Going up.
Yeah.
Oh, we're staying on.
Okay, cool.
We're just riding.
Nice.
You guys have a good one.
You too, buddy.
Thank you.
You ready?
Going down?
Yep. Come on, man.
He's your
3,500 pound capacity.
He's your brother from the factual. Do you need one?
Is that?
You guys have a good one.
You too. Thank you.
All right. We'll end the video on 2 and look out this way. Should be able to see the counterweight as we're going up. Yep, there it goes. Even though the Montgomery Kone is gone, this is a great replacement. Very nice elevator. All right, I'm gonna send it down so you can watch it go down. We'll watch it go down from this side. There it goes, and there it goes.